IS24. Everyone in this room is full of shame because of a comment about their appearance or about where they come from or about who they are. We are here to tell you that we see you. Be brave and be proud of yourself, proud of where you come from, and proud of who you are. Because you are exactly who you are meant to be. And you are amazing.
Aww.
One time, I can remember only having a close family, maybe 2 or 3 friends that didn't know me well. But I can't remember when being popular was the same as being dog. I can't remember when laughing was for joy and not making fun of the way someone looked or spoke or where they were from. You know, sometimes it feels like it's safer to be alone. At least alone. You'll never have to face falling down in front of others. I was really hoping that bullying was going to go out of style. But cyberbullying has undergone a rebirth. See, now you can torment someone that you've never met, and you might just be one of their 900,000 followers. See, now you can cast your opinion on their hair, their clothes, the way they smile, how they dance, without even knowing how their voice sounds in person. See, if this place would be all connected on cell phones or a playground, you wouldn't even have picked me to be on your team. I practice every day. I practice being resilient. I practice letting the weight and the insults just fall right off of me. I really don't understand. It isn't human to make someone feel bad, not on purpose, not over and over again. It would be really nice. We could all just love each other for our differences, instead of hating one another for our talents. No matter how good you are, people matter. Everyone deserves a moment to bask in the light of the sun. But somewhere along the way, MySpace and Facebook changed the way we all define the word friend. And someone you follow on Instagram could be sitting right next to you, and you have no idea how to interact with them face to face. You just sit. Well, double tapping these stats. Double taps have taken on the role of no compliment. And shares have become approval. And unfriending and blocking is now the way that we express conflict. It's now the way that we say, we have a problem. No one could actually have 953,000 friends. No one person would be comfortable with 4.5 million human beings actually following them. So we could all settle to be a little more hard, a lot less bully. You really don't need 953,000 friends. It would be so cool if we could go back to the time you knew that if your whole world crashed, you had someone that you could really lean on. Maybe not a handful, but certainly one.